And then the next one is the sales rep and customer performance dashboard. Now, this is actually a new one that we added in beyond the original 10 that we did. So what this does is you would put a budget against all of your customers in PromoServe. And then what that will do is calculate your booked and billed values and then compare that to what budget you thought you were going to get. So it splits that budget out over a 12-month period and says, right, where are we versus where we expected to be? And then what it'll do, it'll use a traffic light system. So if we've not billed anything, it'll be red. And then if they've gone over, like this one at the bottom, then it'll go green. So we're able to see if you're on or over budget based on your customers. Now, what you can do is you can select a customer on the left-hand side if you want to see one customer, or what you can do is select a particular sales rep. So if you've got multiple reps and you want to be able to see how they're doing versus how we expected them to be doing for their customers, then you can easily just select the rep and then it'll recalculate all this information.